Hi guys, this is Jordan and welcome back to my channel. So during the Sephora sale, I purchased this nude palette from Huda Beauty. It is so pretty. I've been using this palette non-stop for like the past week. I absolutely love it and the shade inside is so pretty. I'll show you guys. Today, I used this palette to create this look. If you are interested about how I did this look, keep on watching. So first, I'm gonna prime my face with the Marc Jacobs primer. This primer really moisturized my skin and kept my foundation on top like a dream. I love it. Next, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation as always. This is a really high coverage foundation. A little goes to a long way and it blends out really well. I love this foundation so much because once it dries down, it will just stay where it is for the rest of the day. And that's why I have to apply this as section. Moving on to concealer, I'm mixing the ColourPop No Filter with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer to cover up my dark circle and my pimples. Smashbox contour palette to contour my face. Moving on to the brow, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in Soft Brown. Now I'm using that Wet n Wild concealer to clean the edge of my eyebrows. Finally, to the eyeshadows. I am using the shade Concealer, which is a cream eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelids. Then I am using the shade Beer all over my eyelids. Then I'm using the shade Play to give my eyes some definition. Now I'm taking shade Taddy to deepen my crease. Now I'm using shade Raw for my outer corner. I am bringing down the eyeshadow to my lower lash line using what's left on my brush. I'm going back to the shade Teddy with a small blending brush to smoke my lower lash line out. I'm taking this beautiful multi-reflect shade called Crave. Look at this, it is so pretty. I'm using my finger to tap it all over my eyelid. Now it's time for liner. I am using the Kat Von D Tattoo liner in color Mad Max Brown. Lower liner, I am using the Sephora Collection 24-hour long wear eyeliner. Just gonna apply it at the lower outer corner and using a brush to smudge them out. I really need some highlighters on my face. I bought this Urban Decay highlighter on Sephora sale too. It's only $18 and it is so pretty. Next, I am using the e.l.f. powder blush palette for my blush. For lips, I am going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. Time for some lashes. Now I'm taking this Essence Super Fine Liner to fill the gap between my lashes. And of course I need some mascara. This one is from Benefit. How can I end this video without setting spray? I'm going to use this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray to set my makeup. look. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do, and I had a lot of fun with this palette. I absolutely love those metallic shade. Overall, it's just such a great palette. So the price is 85 Canadian dollars plus tax. If you see this palette in store, grab them, try them, swatch them on your hand. It's so pretty, especially this 4 shade over here. So this two and this two. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye!